Hey, Ricardo from CodeCop, and today I have a very cool demo that will show one of the upcoming Duo features that is called Process Injection. If you're an old school geek like me, you probably remember this game. It's called Space Invaders. We used to play this all the time on the arcades. So I have here a version that is totally written in C Sharp. You can use CodeCop to change it live while it's still executing. Let's now open the Space Invaders solution in Visual Studio. And as you see, it's a normal C# project with all the files. And what's important to notice is that if we open the references, it has no reference to CodeCop. What I've done is I've went ahead and created a bunch of interceptor assemblies that will tweak the game by overriding some of the Space Invaders assembly original methods. Let's look, for instance, at the stop fire interceptor. Our interceptor has a public class called Alien Gun that on its constructor is using CodeCop via its Fluent API. As you see, it has the cop as Fluent call. And via reflection, because this assembly is not referenced in the Space Invaders solution, we will search for a type called alien, and on that type we want to find the fire bullets method. The fire bullets method is the method that is responsible for making the aliens fire. So as you see, we are overriding the method and returning null. So the fire bullets method won't do anything. And that will cause the aliens to actually stop firing. As you see, when we open the aliens class on the Space Invaders project, we will find a fire bullets method. Lastly, what the interceptor does is launch a thread that will call the cop intercept method to intercept the fire bullets method, wipe out its code, and return null. Let's now look at another interceptor. Let's look at the Smart Alien Interceptor. The Smart Alien Interceptor has a class called Dodge, and basically will do the same. Via reflection, it will search for the Alien Manager type and its check for collision method and override it. But this time, instead of returning null, it will do a logic that will make aliens dodge from bullets. We have a couple more interceptors, that is the Immortal and the Super Bullet, that kind of have the same logic. They override the methods and tweak the application. Let's see now how with CodeCop 2.0 we can dynamically, on a process that is executing, inject these assemblies and make these methods change at runtime. CodeCop 2.0 comes with a CLI interface. We will now issue the cop command with a -i for inject, and we say inject the stop firing assembly, and we have the -c, which says the class that we want to execute on that assembly. And then we will say the process name -pn that we want to inject. I will now start the game, and as we're injecting the stop firing, you will see the aliens stop firing while the game is executing. I will now press enter to issue the command, and as you see, no more fire for the alien guys. So it's alien killing time now, and if you notice, when I fire a shot, the shot disappears when the alien is killed. Let's take care of that by injecting the Super Bullet Interceptor. We will issue the same command for injection via our CLI. And without stopping the game, you will now see that the bullet transverses all the rows killing all aliens in it. Isn't this cool? So now we can kill all the aliens at ease. But the aliens got a surprise for us, and they are going to take a revenge. So let's inject two more interceptors. We'll start with the immortal interceptor, and the aliens will become immortal, and our shots will have no effect on them. As you see, as we fire, aliens won't die. And besides that, they've become smarter and they know how to dodge from bullets. So let's inject our smart alien interceptor and see the effect it does. Now, aliens, besides immortal, can dodge from bullets. And this is the power of CodeCop 2.0 with its process injection feature. If you want to learn more about CodeCop, please head to our site at getcodecop.com. Thanks for watching.